So, good morning to all of you guys. Today we are trading US30, and I apologize for the losses yesterday. I am so shocked that US30 has went up so much. And the reason I'm shocked is because of the times that we're in. So we are in times where there's a lot of conflict, not in the US particularly, but around the world. And when you think about majority of these stocks like Amazon, Meta, BlackRock, which is, BlackRock's pretty much invested into everything. When you think about these different stocks operate around the world. They just don't operate in the United States. Like, for example, India has a bigger population than us here in the US. How many people do you think in India use Facebook, right? Or are using Amazon to ship each other products and buy products from online consumers? So that's where I'm like, it surprises me that these stocks, right, have not directly shot up. They're consolidating. Then NAS 100, as you can see here, NAS 100 went down, right? But then when you look at US 30, it's just went upwards, like directly up, like a bullet. So what we see now with US 30 is that it's hit an area of support. So there's clear resistance up here, right? Clear area of resistance, resistance, breaking through resistance a little bit there, broke through there, came back down, and then more resistance up here, right? So there's resistance up there, support down here. What I would want the market to do is break past the support. If the market breaks past this level of support right here, it will perhaps hit this next area. Where if it hits this next area, where there is support down here, resistance up here, then it would hit take profit one. Right now, it's only 14 points away from profit one, take profit one. So we'll continue to wait on this. I decided to enter this market right in the middle. Reasonings I did right in the middle is because I was waiting for the extra confirmation right here. So when I zoom in, right, we see that the market went up to come down, to go up to come down, right, to then go up again, right? And then when it came down, I was waiting for the market to essentially go past this area of support, for example. I was waiting for it to go past this area. So there's resistance in this area right here, which I'm marking. There's support in this area. And there's also somewhat of little support here. Obviously, if I draw it down here, I was waiting for the market to surpass that area. Once the market surpassed that area, then that's when I decided to send out the signal when it surpassed it, came back up to wick it, and then the following candle is the one that we entered on. So that's essentially the analysis for that trade. Now, like I said, we are waiting for the market to break past this support. That's what we're waiting for here. And since we're waiting for that, I'm going to tell everyone to put their stop loss at break even. Put stop loss at break even. Boom. I'm going to put my stop loss at break even. Let me do it with this trade as well. Cool. So we're set there. Now, let's go on to NAS 100. NAS 100 over here is different today. It's not telling the same story as US 30. So, excuse me for that, I'm a little sick. So, we go on to the 1 hour for NAS 100. Or perhaps let's go on to the 4 hour and analyze it everything from that point on. So, here on the 4 hour, we see that the market has just been extremely bullish ever since June 22nd. Since June 22nd, right, the market's been extremely bullish. And now it's starting to take a ride to the downward side. where it went down to go up to now come down, but it's not really breaking past the support that it's marked. So the first thing I'm going to mark out in this 4-hour time zone is this main area of support right down here. This is the area that once it breaks this area, and I'm going to highlight this green, once it breaks that area, we're going to sell. We're going to sell NAS 100 long term once it breaks that area. So now we're going to go on to the 1 hour. In the 1 hour, we basically see right here that the market went up to come down and hit support, to rapidly go up again, come down, go up, and come down. And it created almost a double top, which is one of my favorite patterns to use. As you guys can see, up, down, hit area, and now it's continuing to move towards this side. So double top up here, went up, hit the support of the double top, which is now the new resistance, and we're going to mark that as well. And we'll just mark that yellow. And now the market has came down. So what do we want NAS 100 to do? Obviously, in this example, I would like NAS 100 to come back down, because if this comes down, it would push US30 down. Now, US30 is, it was 9 points away from take profit, but now it jumped up in like 1 minute. Look at this. In this one candle alone, look at how it's jumping upwards. This one candle, wow, look at this one candle alone. This is why we put stop loss at break even. Could care less what it does at this point. But here we see NAS 100 breaking towards the upside as well. There's an area of resistance clearly marked on the 1 minute. We're in the 1 minute with NAS 100. We're going to go back to the 45 minute to see how it's performing. In the 45 minute, we can't really tell a lot, but I would like some type of retracement from the upside to the downside. Retracement at 0.61 is still highly, it could still highly possibly happen. We go on to the 30 minute or the 15 minute, not much happening here. 3 bullish candles, and let's see how this candle finishes. Again, the market, the New York opening bell will open in 1 minute, meaning the New York session will start in 1 minute. So I want to see how opening bell affects the market here, especially with US30. So 30 seconds. Again, we entered up here. First take profit is right here. Second take profit is down here. And basically this trade is, with this trade we put stop loss at break even. So if it goes anywhere past that area, we lose the trade. But let's see what it does in the next 6 seconds. Let's go on to a lower time frame. I did not like that candle there on the 5 minute. I absolutely hate that 5 minute candle. Huge wick towards the upside. I hate that candle. But let's see. Let's go on to the 1 minute just so I can see it candle by candle by candle. Yeah, these 2 candles were awful. Yep. Let's see. NAS 100 broke past it. That means US30 is going to break past it as well. And it got only 3 points away from hitting take profit. Unbelievable. Not right now, 3 points away. Fuck, my throat. Not right now that it was 3 points away, but down here, it was only 3 points away from its first take profit. I'll draw a line of where the first take profit should be. Right there. Settings, text, coordinates, perfect. Yeah, that's where the first take profit is, where this black line is. I'll make it thicker as well. So once the market surpasses that area, we are good. Let's see what NAS 100 is doing. Again, we are a few points away. Okay, boom, it hit it. Take profit hit. Let's go. Fire, fire, fire. All right, I made a total of, let's see, $914 with this trade. Hitting take profit 1. This was an amazing trade. Fire. Fire, fire. Even though I hated that 5-minute candle. God, I hated that 5-minute candle, this first one, but this second one is beautiful. Look at this, look at this. Going down perfectly. Fire. All right, let me write that take profit hit in the group chat, and I'll get back to the live stream. I told you guys, once I put on my Naruto thing, it's a comeback. Let me actually go get it. Let me go get my Naruto headband. Let me go get my Naruto headband. Give me a moment. 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. All right. Let's go. All right, I'm putting on my headband. All right. Fire. Okay, so let's go over US30 now. I want to see what NAS 100 is doing. You see, like, it's doing the complete fucking opposite. NAS 100 is going up, and US30 is boiling down. S&P 500 is boiling down, and now NAS is going up. Like, I don't understand why they're not correlating, because they always correlate. Correlate in trading basically means if one goes up, the other goes up. So it's an extra confirmation that if one pair is going to go up and you have confluences or different confirmations on another pair through technicals and fundamentals, well, you could use the correlation of another pair to determine, hey, what I'm trading is going to go up because this other thing's going up as well. So a good example is NAS 100 with US30, but for some reason today they're not correlating, which is completely normal, by the way, guys. It's normal because not every day something's going to correlate with another. There's going to be things off in the market that's going to cause uncorrelation. And that's also something big to look for. Let's say that you're trading Forex, for example. What you want to do if you're trading Forex currencies is look for one that goes up and look for one that comes down. And that will give you a good confirmation that if one looks very bullish and you're going to take a bullish position, if the other one doesn't look bearish, why would you take the bullish position? So I hope that helps you guys out a lot with correlation. Now, to go over US30. So US30 came down, went up to come down and broke past the level of support that I spoke about. Now it's coming down and broke past the second level of support that I spoke about. Now it looks like it's going to come up to hit that area, resistance here, support here, future resistance here, and then ultimately continue to go down. Again, that's what I'm thinking it would do. As you guys can see, look at that little wick right there. Now it's coming down. As I described, it's 27 points away from take profit 2, which will put us at 200 points for today. All right. Damn, it is a little hot in my room. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm going to turn down my AC. Just 1 second. It's leaving a big wick. This is the 5 minute, so let's see what's going on in the 1 minute. Okay. It tried to get as close as possible, got to 350, and now is coming back. Damn, it was so close. It was only 10 points away from take profit 2. So this trade almost hit take profit 2. Still has the potential to, of course, but it hit take profit 1. The account is back up at $5,000 plus dollars. I told you, once this headband comes on, it's game time. All right. We wait. VIX coming. I don't even know what the fuck this is doing, to be quite honest. I don't even see candles there. In the 5 minutes coming down. That's bad. We want it to go up so US30 could come down. S&P going up a little bit. NAS 100 going up a lot. It's gonna hit this area up here most likely. And US30 still there. Okay. Well, this is all about waiting at this point. But overall, a really good trade with this trade. Really happy with this one. And I'm happy I got to come back from those 2 losses. Disgusting. But yeah, I'm going to call this a pretty good live session. I'm going to be editing this stuff and pretty much everything to post it up in our YouTube that you could check out at TradersMrk YouTube. With that, I hope that you guys have an amazing day. And if I see any other signals throughout the day, I'll send some more out to start recovering from yesterday's 2 losses. But this is a good start in that aspect. Yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing day.